guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to master your vocals in Audacity. Like for example, let's say if you're making a YouTube video, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to record your vocals separately or independently in this program as you're recording on your phone. Now, let me just give you a tip. When you hit record on Audacity, I want you to hit record on your phone. And you want to wait a couple seconds. You want to clap your hands 3 times, and that's going to help you sync the audio in Premiere Pro or whatever video software you're using. So that's just a little tip there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to record. I'm going to go to my audio settings for a second. Okay, make sure my Yeti microphone is checked, and for my Yeti microphone, I'm going to keep it at 48 hertz. And like that. So we're going to go right there, make sure everything is good. So I'm going to hit record, and I'm just going to make a sample audio, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next. All right, for this tutorial, I'm making a sample audio to show people how to master. Actually, I messed up. Let me just delete that. The first thing you want to do first is record a couple seconds of sound. And I'm going to show you why I'm doing that in a second, and then you record. All right, here we go. All right, guys, for this tutorial, I am showing people how to master their vocals in Audacity for free. This is totally free software, open software, and it works. Okay, so I hit stop. So, all right, so now... So you just get a piece of paper, or you just keep following this video whenever you like. And also how to get Audacity, just go to Google and type in Audacity and download it. It's totally free. All right, so the first thing first, before we master our vocals, we want to highlight this dead sound. And we're going to go up to Effect. We're going to go to Noise Removal and Repair. And you're going to go down to Noise Reduction. You're going to keep everything the same. You're going to click on Get Noise Profile. After that, you're going to highlight the entire vocals. You're going to go back up to Effect, Noise and Removal, and you're going to go to Noise Reduction. You're going to leave everything the same, everything how you see it here, which is fine. You're going to hit OK. And you're going to go back up to Effect. You're going to go to Volume and Compression. And you're going to go to normalize. You're going to normalize everything that we do here. We're going to normalize it. All right. So basically, it took the noise out of the background. That's what we just did. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Effect. We're going to Volume and Compression, and we're going to add a compressor. You want to keep everything the same as you see it right here. And you want to hit Apply. And remember, we're going to go up to Effect, Volume and Compression, and we're going to normalize it. Everything we do, we normalize. All right. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to go up to Effect. We're going to go to EQ and Filters. We're going to add a little bass and treble. Right here, these settings that I have it right here is good for me, but you might want to play around with it. And hit OK. As you see, it went all the way up, but we're going to normalize it. It's going to go back down. You guessed it. We're going to go to Effect, Volume and Compression, and we're going to hit Normalize. You're going to see it go back down. Okay. So the last thing we need to do is go back up to Effect, Volume and Compression, and add a limiter. So all the settings that you see right here, just pause the video and you see the settings right here. And you're going to hit Apply. And on the last thing, you guessed it, the last thing we're going to do is normalize. So now we normalized it. And that's it. Now, let's play it. All right, guys, for this tutorial, I am showing people how to master their vocals in Audacity. All right, that sounds pretty good to me. So let's say if you recorded, you got your 3 claps and stuff like that, and you recorded these vocals. So you're just going to go ahead and go up to File. You're going to export as MP3, and I'm going to name it test just because, you know, we're doing this. And you're just going to hit save. You don't have to put all this. If you want to, you can. You know, artist name, track title. If you want to do that, that's fine. Just hit OK. So now we have our audio. So now, when you go and for this tutorial, I'm just showing you how to master your vocals. For the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to merge this with your cell phone video. So you could cancel out your cell phone video and you have new crisp vocals to go with your video and match it up in Audacity. Premiere Pro. But for the sake of this tutorial, I hope to help somebody. And just go back and watch it again and follow what I'm just saying. And it will help you out. Guys, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.